We are heading to Lebanon. We're heading to Lesbian right now. We're gonna go hit some sweet bike jumps. I got a new bike yesterday. I'm pretty stoked about it, so I get to go break it in. Oh, my girlfriend's coming back. There she goes. She wants my attention. Yeah. I love you! Whatever. I got this peanut butter and jelly. It's a little better anyways.
Get in here real quick. You're doing it.
Shred it.
You're fucking shredding, bro. Been there. Penis that.
Oh, we don't? Doug's shirt is
They're admiring.
from the Penis Museum.
In Iceland.
I told her.
That's probably German.
Penis is just
It's
his
Icelandic.
biggest passion. He just loves dick.
Especially food shaped like penis.
Oh man, bananas.
He doesn't even
Buttholes,
chew.
bananas.
Swallows everything whole.
Tis true.
Eats with his butt too. Never seen anything like it.
And then.
Gosh, I think that's about it.
And then.
Can I have a fry?
The next day.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's 15 bucks per person.
Holy fuck. I'm gonna give you a 20. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Oh, actually, I do need everyone's name.
Throw it back. That's what I thought you was about to fucking do. That was totally worth it.
The next day.
Tell us where we're at.
You tell us where. Doug, take his camera and you film him.
What?
We're at Karen Creek, my family's farm. AJ's out here checking it out. Probably gonna get a little bit rowdy.
We're gonna get this thing stuck.
Yeah, that's where we're at.
Or break it, or both.
Or both.
We got some service.
Yeah, sorry. I have to. Fuck, you know? Now you know what I mean, because I said those words, right? All right, I'll show you guys around. This is my property, Karen Creek. Did your dad get offended if people say it wrong?
No.
Karen Creek. It's just a creek with a really bad haircut that really wants to talk to the manager.
It's like hard to like figure out where the fuck it's gonna go.
Oh!
Fuck. Jesus Christ.
Oh!
God. Yeah, you'll get at least a foot into that.
I'm going straight through.
You're so high.
I'm going all the way through it. You ain't afraid of me.
I should be filming too. We can just put, and then you film for your own, and we'll put this on like 10 different YouTube channels at once.
Dude, this looks like we're in Jurassic Park finding this car.
It's a wild Subaru, Justy. Professional driver on a closed course. Well,
Just a second.
Descendant Sunday Swamp is about to get another victim. If I had to guess, he gets stuck right. Oh my goodness. He gets stuck right about here. About here. I gotta try and find a way. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Buried the UGG. Nice.
Nice.
Dude, it swallowed me.
We've all been there.
Hey, I think if I tried it again, I'd make it through. It smells great, man.
Well, kind of told you wasn't gonna make it.
Nah, that was user error. I got it on the next one for sure. Doug was in my way.
Yeah, that's what it was.
Slowed me down.
I found it.
Hell yeah. Just hook it to the radiator.
Oh yeah.
Turn this way a little bit. See if you can pull forward a little bit from there. Jesus Christ.
I busted radiator.
Yeah, that too.
Well, you know what they say.
I don't.